do you wish your soap exfoliated your skin and washed it?
If you do, you are gonna love this 2-in-1 sugar scrub soap recipe. It uses the power of essential oils, as well as sugar to exfoliate and soap to wash you clean. Here's what you need for the recipe. Grab your monthly essential oil box and take out your stickers, your sugar scrub soap recipe card, your melt and pour soap base, rose clay, and your soap mold, and grab orange essential oil, frankincense essential oil, and tranquility essential oil blend.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your almond oil. And from your kitchen, you're going to wanna grab a teaspoon of rubbing alcohol.
Let's get started. So first what you're gonna do is grab your soap base and melt it. If you're a subscriber, you're going to be using about 1.5 cubes of your soap. So along with your soap, you're gonna add your almond oil and melt them together. We're gonna melt it in a double boiler because then it's really easy to keep track of your soap and you don't overheat it. You can do it in a microwave. Just do it in very short intervals because soap can melt really fast and it can burn.
Usually about 5 seconds or less at a time in the microwave.
To start, we're going to mix our clay and rubbing alcohol. This is gonna allow the clay to mix with the soap.
So we're putting a 1/4 teaspoon of the rose clay.
So we're gonna stir it so that it mixes with the alcohol. Then we'll set it aside while we melt our soap base and almond oil. Now that our soap and oil base are melted, we're gonna add our essential oils. All right, so go ahead and add 4 drops of orange, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of tranquility. So now that we've got our oils, and we're going to quickly add that clay mixture to make it a pretty pink color. So we're gonna add our sugar. You don't wanna add the sugar while this is too hot, otherwise the sugar will melt. And like I mentioned before, at first it's gonna smell like rubbing alcohol, but that smell will quickly evaporate, and that beautiful smell of essential oils will really come through. And then go ahead and pour it into. All right, then we're just gonna let this totally cool, and once it's totally cooled, it'll be ready to use. So we'll let it cool, and then we'll be right back. So we've got our scrub here all cooled down. I'm gonna remove it from the mold. And then we're gonna cut it into quarters so that we have 4 separate sugar scrub bars. All right, to use it, you're gonna just take one of these cubes, rub it on your skin. You can do it on your hands, your legs, and your arms, and just rinse it away. It's gonna wash and exfoliate. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie.
I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists with Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So to get almost everything you need for this recipe, go to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit the subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later. Hey, do you wish that your soap exfoliated and washed your skin at the same time?
With this 2-in-1 sugar scrub, you're gonna...